Your Dow Jones has broken down out of support. You guys did mostly fill the gap that is shown here on the chart, but we will add on to this by showing you some yields and silver and some oil just to expect. So, here on the Dow Jones, going first right off the bat, you guys have a run sweet up. Like I said, you guys leave gaps. You guys most likely come back down and fill them. You guys have come back and filled one. You guys also broke support. So you guys have now found resistance. You guys now have a very high probability that you are just going to come straight back down and into this area to fill this gap. You guys may also break the 200-day moving average, making the Dow Jones bearish. But for right now, watch the chart. Be careful. If you guys took a swing trade up, I would recommend taking profits right now. That would be amazing. And remember, we only pay per trade on here. Now for your yields, real quick. I did forget to inform you guys. Very sorry about that. But there was a downward wedge. Happened so long ago. You guys can check back at a video back in early this month, April. And then there's probably a video there. And then it broke up out of this, and you guys are actually bullish on the 2-year yield, which is what the Fed follows for interest rates. So a rate hike may be possible during the next FOMC meeting if we keep going up. Because if I turn on my beautiful indicator over here on the left, you guys have the Fed right here falling behind this rising price action or yield action, whatever it's called. But if you get the Fed gets too far behind, they start freaking out and they start raising rates to follow it. This may be a sign of hyperinflation, but we do not know yet. Also on the 10-year, to throw it in here, you guys also had a wedge here, also was drawn out early April and then broke up out of it. Now you guys are going up. It did hit price target. If I draw one here, I'll do that right now. Right here to here, broke up, and yeah, you guys filled that. Cool. And this one's for your mortgage interest rates and general inflation. It's going higher, and you guys did break out of a very large pattern here. You guys have a very big price target to hit. Can it hit that? It might. I would expect another pullback to the 200-day moving average, the yellow line here, and then find support and then possibly go higher. But overall, looking outward, you guys are having more inflation later on. Time for gold and silver. We'll look at silver first. You guys are right now coming back down. There's a support line right here. You guys can probably hit that. You guys might bounce, but your overall direction of silver is up right now unless you don't break this trend line. If you guys don't break this trend line and you guys come back down and then you come into below the 200-day moving average, then you have a bearish silver. But for right now, healthy pullback on silver. Over here was the run up that we had in December and January. That was absolutely insane. But now we're giving it all back with these current runs. Your gold, same thing. You guys had the insane runs back here. Then it came falling back down. And then now we're giving it back. You guys are also in a downward channel, just like silver. It's not drawn out here. But the main focus is the support line here and the 200-day moving average. If you guys break those two, then you're going to have some problems with gold being more bearish. Now, if you hold physical, you don't care. But if you trade this, I know you care a little bit. Here's your oil. You guys may see a top forming right about now. This is a very bearish pattern that looks like it's being created. It's called a head and shoulders pattern. Plays out, I think, 97% of the time. But it is only confirmed once we break the neckline down here. Then you can say oil's going to go lower. But right now, you guys are very bullish on oil because you guys are above the 200-day moving average. And you guys have higher resistance here. But you did get a bounce off of the support that was right here. So that was very predictable. Overall, everything looks like it's having a nice, healthy pullback at the end of its cycles. Your gold and silver just giving back what they ran up with back in January and December. Oil looks like it may start coming back down. This isn't news related. This is just chart based predictions. and I will see you guys again Friday.